Hmm. So this is an interesting one. Guess the 10,000 word why or 100,000 why is trademarked by someone so they can take the book down with that title. I don't know. I'd have to look into it, but that is something to consider. Okay. So, and then somebody looked into it and says it's specifically for the logo, which does make more sense. Okay. What you think, sir, when we launch the book, then which ads we run first, auto, Q, or ads? So, what would be the answer to this question, everybody? It would be go watch the video I literally just did on how to run Amazon ads as a complete beginner. Go watch that video. That will walk you through absolutely everything you'll need to know. I have a question from Twins Travel Ltd. Okay. I have a question. I published a fiction novel of 600 pages. I want to do the same book for young adults. Can I use the same cover, same page? Okay, I think this is the one that we answered already. But like different audience, different book, period, right? So if like the same book is not going to relate, like the same cover for one audience won't hit the same a different audience. Same title won't like so it's all about understanding who your audience is.